What if you could create 30 money-saving Facebook posts in under 10 minutes, without designing each one manually? In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT and Canva together to bulk create 30 scroll-stopping money-saving posts using Canva Sheets and the Bulk Create feature. First, I use ChatGPT to generate 30 practical, emotionally triggering money-saving tips, each under 60 words, so they're perfect for social media. I ask ChatGPT to format these tips in a table, so they're easy to paste directly into Canva Sheets. Next, open Canva and add a Canva sheet. Paste all 30 tips into one column. This becomes the content engine for your designs. Go to Menu section, select Bulk Create. This will connect your Canva sheet and design template. As second step, set up data. Here A1 to B30. Make sure headings are meaningful for later reference. Once your data range is set up, hit Continue on left bottom side. Now here's the magic part. Design just one Facebook post template. Choose your brand colors, fonts, icons, and layout. Once you select your design template, it gives option to connect your data to design elements. Here I've tip number which goes into this text box, and real tip related text into this bigger text box. All data connected for this design. Now, you can simply click purple button on left side to create 30 unique designs. I'll select this advanced option so I can give proper names and saving location for my 30 new designs. Here it goes, the magic of Canva. Canva instantly creates 30 unique Facebook posts, each with a different money-saving tip, automatically. You can now download all posts, schedule them inside Canva, or upload them directly to Facebook. No copy-paste, no redesigning, no burnout. Save time. Be consistent. Consistency doubles. Your designs are same, on the brand, and with Bulk Create you have content posts ready for next 30 days. This system works because it combines AI content creation with visual automation. One prompt, one design, 30 posts, done. If you want my ready-to-use ChatGPT prompts, Canva sheet structure, or editable templates, check the link below. Follow for more content automation tips that save time and money.